need to back up and get over here. Hey, I might be able to go around you right now and then pull you. Yeah.
Might have to turn the key off. Probably flip that rollover switch.
Yeah, let me wrench it.
I'm just hot centered.
But it didn't act like it wanted to start leaning over like that.
Huh?
I don't think it wants to start.
Be good probably with this tree right here. Might be good.
Oh hell. Hey, I got a strap. I hope I had that. I know I hate these damn steel cables for that reason.
That used to be all they had. Get all them sliders in your hand.
Yeah, this old thing was retired from the ranch, and so it's been used and abused.
Hey, Brandon, you can go around, but you gotta squeeze one over here.
Hey, you gonna go that way? You going that way? Okay.
I was fixing to tell him, hey, you guys gotta remember, my wife ain't even snorkel.
I know.
She looked at me at one of them, I said, just go fast. Because once you get a wave in front of you, that back drops.
I really thought I could squeeze through there, but I got in that hole right there. I got too low. If I would have stayed on that rib like I was trying to do, I had it made.
I saw you jump, I was like, oh shit, I'm way over there trying to come around.
Yeah, it's got that rollover switch, so it died whenever it rolled over. Automatically die like that. Missed it. I fell over. They had to pull me out of that hole right there.
Like fell over?
Fell over and died.
It was coming and I was over in the trees where he's at. I just see Wayne go.
I hit that rut right there and it was like slow motion.
Slow-mo. Slow-mo right there.
Luckily I had some strong people to help put it back.
How'd you come out of there?
I got pulled out backwards. And then drove through the woods.
Yeah. Oh, so nobody came through here.
You did.
I mean, you know what I'm saying.
Hey, I made it.
Hey, the Polaris is dead.
The Yamaha made it with a little help from his friends.
Well, that's all right. You still came through there, right?
I conquered.
That's right. Damn it, you didn't turn around. Hey, this is your trail. Come on, motherfucker.